Ooh, welcome man, welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, y'all see this underbody? Yes, guys. Hey, this is the easy one. No power steering or real erratic power steering, guys. This is considered an electric power steering system, hydraulic power steering system. Uh, Not the conventional power steering system. What I'm trying to say, I get tongue tied when I'm trying to uh give up the correct terminology. All right. There's a pump slash module right there. Okay, now I didn't diagnose this car. The guy that diagnosed it is not here, but they do want me to knock it out real quick. And guys, has to be the easiest rack I have ever done in my life. I see this, bzz, 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 and boom, the rack falls on the floor. That's how easy. Speaking of a rack, let's take a look. Yeah, here's the parts right here. Okay, if this is a Mopar, guys, it's likely gonna have tie rods already on it. Likely gonna be pre-aligned already. Although you still need to go to the alignment machine. Yes, brand new tire. Oh, that's not gonna work because they loose. So I'm in the ballpark. I still have to go to the alignment machine. I was gonna do that anyway, whether they was tight or not. No two cars are the same, guys. So depending on how you bolt it up, you can never bolt a rack and pinion up exactly how you took it off. There's always gonna be some small little differences. But yeah, I'm getting ready to put this rack on, and here's the hydraulic unit. I'm thinking that's what they call it, guys. Don't criticize me if I'm wrong. Like I say, sometimes my terminology is wrong. Special type of fluid, guys. Do not put your typical power steering fluid in this. All right. Again, why am I replacing it? The guy that diagnosed it said it needed it. All right. So he's not here. I'm merely gonna put it on. Put the rack on. Top the fluid off right here. It's a special way to do that. Go drive it and see what happens. Yes, alignment. Let me take a look at these tires. Wow, they should have got some tires. It's nothing like doing an alignment with ball tires. Oh my goodness, look at this. I think, guys, I'm gonna take it upon myself and rotate these tires. Put the better tires on the rear. Yeah, these tires are front tires are worn out. I'm almost thinking or wondering, what's this their problem? Suspension not really loose. Alrighty, I don't know what that's all about, but look, and the panel's all jacked up. I'm gonna try to secure that properly, but replacing this is fairly easy, of course. So, guys, I got work to do. So let me grab me some tools and get started, guys. I'm not gonna insult you guys by filming this. I may do a little bit of it, but this is so freaking easy. All right, I'm gonna take the wheels off. So we'll see what happens, guys. Man, I wonder if they got over 100,000 miles. If they do, ZF 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission is due for a service. All right, I'm a big fan of the feel for life. Get that out of your head, guys. This filter is integrated into this pan, so if you do a trans service, you're gonna get a whole new pan. And I suggest you use the ZF approved transmission fluid. However, Valvoline make a brand Valvoline transmission, multi-use transmission, from what I'm told, is will work. It's been approved for it. I have used it, guys. I have used Valvoline, and I haven't had any problem. The good thing about that is they will stand by their product. If your transmission failed because of their fluid, they will stand by it, guys. All right. So, like I said, I have a lot of work to do. Let me get started, guys. All right. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm still in the middle of removing this. The rack is out, guys. I already got all the rack bolts. It's ready to fall. But, of course, you got to remove the lines. And, guys, look at the nastiness. Yeah, so there's a problem with this hydraulic system, guys. That is nasty. Now, hydraulic fluid typically, what, clear, I want to say? Now, traditional power steering fluid, guys, y'all know FCA converted their transmission fluid to, no, their power steering fluid to transmission fluid. It's basically the same fluid, just the dye makes it a different color. But look at this stuff. Now, I'm also in the process of replacing this unit. Okay, now guys, if you, of course the covers got to come off. My covers was broke, so in order to get this off, a couple ways you can do it. You can either attach the module from the bracket, or just bring the bracket all down all together. There's 2 bolts right there, and there's some bolts on the here that would tie the bracket to the frame. It's all about gaining access to the bracket, this whole bracket, and just bring it all down. Okay, that is how I'm going to do it. You can do it the best way that suits you. I'm even bringing the lines out with it, so I'm going to unhook the lines right here and just bring everything out through here. Okay, as soon as I create some more, create some more room. All right, so let me grab a couple tools and let's get it, baby. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Got the old one out. It's fairly easy. Now it's just a matter of transferring the lines, guys. I'm a huge fan of replacing a pressure line when I do a pump. So they didn't sell that. Remember, I didn't diagnose this car, so I don't know what's going to come of it. But I will replace what parts they gave me. Now, return hose is just there's no, there's nothing going on with a return hose. It's just return fluid flow back to the reservoir. But the pressure hose is very important. It could cause you whining noise and everything. So normally I would do that when I do a pump. All right, but I didn't have that luxury on this repair. So I'm not going to film installing this, guys. It's just a matter of reversing the removal procedure. All right, so that's pretty much all I have. All I got to do now is install the rest of the parts and go align it. And that should be it, guys. So that's all I have, man. I might fire back up on a test drive and we can talk some more, but alignment is straightforward, and the rest of this rack and this repair is straightforward. I know I'm gonna get criticized. Guys want to see every little detail, and I understand. It's just I'm not set up that way, guys. I apologize, but that's all I have. Thanks for watching. All right, I need to grab a drain bucket and I'm gonna proceed with this repairs, guys. All right, let's get it, man. Alright, guys, I got it out. As you can see, it's fairly easy, as I mentioned earlier.